Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I am happy to share with you our home-cooked food from my kusina to yours. Welcome to Michelle's Kusina. For today, we will be cooking a very special yet quick and easy to prepare dish, the sweet and sour lapu-lapu. If you want to follow the exact measurements of our ingredients, it is best to prepare them ahead for quick cooking and you won't be missing anything. These are our ingredients for our sweet and sour lapu-lapu. 1/2 kilogram lapu-lapu, 1/4 cup pineapple juice, 1/4 cup vinegar, 1/4 of a medium-sized carrot, 3/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1 stalk spring onion sliced, 1/4 teaspoon Ginisa mix, 1 tablespoon banana ketchup, 2 tablespoons cornstarch to thicken our sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon oil for sauteing and also prepare oil for frying, 1/4 of a medium-sized bell pepper julienne, 1 thumb-sized ginger, 1/2 of a medium-sized onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let's start with frying our fish. Make sure that your oil is very hot to avoid from sticking to the pan. And by the way, our fish has already been cleaned, washed, and seasoned with salt and some seasoning. So just fry it until it's done. Then, just set it aside while we cook our sweet and sour sauce. While our fish is frying, we can now prepare our sauce. We will just quickly mix the following ingredients in a bowl. To start, I will pour the cornstarch first. And I will slowly add in the water while whisking. I want to whisk this to avoid any lumps. Remember, we wanted to have a lump-free sauce. Now that the cornstarch is completely dissolved, let us quickly add in the rest. Pineapple juice, vinegar, soy sauce, banana ketchup, Ginisa mix, salt, pepper, and lastly our brown sugar. Just whisk it until the sugar is dissolved and everything is well combined. And now let's just set this aside. Let's start with our main procedure of making our sweet and sour sauce. Let's pour our oil in a hot pan. And of course, the usual. Let's saute our aromatics. The garlic, onions, of course, our ginger. It is very important that we add in ginger. This will help remove any fishy taste. Next, our bell pepper. And carrots. This will give a bright and vibrant look to our sauce. You may also add chili if you wanted a kick of spiciness to your sauce. But this time for my recipe, I won't be adding any chilies. Please stay tuned because at the end of this video, we will be sharing with you how you can make this recipe as a food business. We will just quickly saute this. And we can now pour our sweet and sour sauce mixture. Just give it a quick whisk before we pour it in. Let's just mix everything until our sauce has thickened. Our sauce has the right balance of sourness, sweetness, and saltiness, and of course, the fruity taste of the pineapple juice. That's why this is very perfect for our fried lapu-lapu. Let's now pour our yummy sauce over our lapu-lapu. Just garnish the top with some sliced spring onions to give a color contrast to our sauce. Garnishings will help every dish look more appetizing. That was quick and easy, and we are now ready to serve. Come on, let's eat and enjoy our sweet and sour lapu-lapu. I would like to share with you our costing for our sweet and sour lapu-lapu. We may sell this for 380 to 400 pesos. Prices may vary according to your location and as to where you will purchase your ingredients. So, adjust costs accordingly. I have already added a 40% production cost to cover up labor, overhead expenses, and packaging, and an additional 30% for markup or profit. So, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, please share it with them. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of our upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time!